Hello family, welcome back to Mama Nigel's kitchen. Today we are at the artistic studio at Mama Nigel's because I have something to show you guys. This is a very quick DIY project, simple project that you can really do to enhance the jars that you are using in your home. Who say the candy jars or the kitchen jars, your utensils jars in the kitchen have to be plain. You can definitely jazz it up, guys. Today I'm gonna be showing you how to inexpensively, that is one of my qualities. One of my qualities, guys, is living every day elevated luxury, inexpensively done. Okay, so what am I talking about? I have this jar here. Those three I picked up from Home Good and at a very reasonable price. So let's say plus tax, $12. Okay, so $12 you got your 3 containers that you want to use. In my case, I ended up buying 4 containers because they were just so beautiful. So I can always find things to do with them, either in the kitchen, in the office space, in the bathroom, of course, in your guest bathroom. You can have cotton swabs in here. Guys, there are so many things you can put in these jars. It is good also for pantry use because it is airtight seal. You can see the plastic seal in the circumference. Okay, that tells you it is airtight, which means you can use it for your grains. You can use them for anything. But what we're gonna focus on is it does not have to be this plain. Yeah, once you have that, your glam kitchen or your glam bathroom, you're like, should I even put something like this in there? Let me just dump everything in the drawers. But guys, I'm gonna show you how you can from this. Are you ready for this transformation? I hope you have not taken a sneak peek at it already. How you can go from this to this. Are you seeing this, baby? Are you seeing this? Oh my gosh, I don't know if this camera is doing its justice. Oh yes, it has been glammed up from the bottom to the top, guys. It's been glammed. Speaking of what? Elegante, guys. Elegante. Start from the top. Okay, you see the crystal numb that I have there on the top. So you will now use that to pull, and then on the rim you have the sequin silver, and then working your way down. On the midpoint section you have this border here, which is also sequin silver, and then you have the taper down. It's like a skirt that is tapering down to all the way to the bottom. Yes, I just love it. I love the design. I love the attraction, the appeal of it. It speaks volume. Yes. If you like what you see, give me a thumbs up, and subscribe to this channel because I am always bringing you some inexpensive designer glam items that you can DIY to enhance your quality living. So guys, and you do not pay anything for this service. This is a free service to you. All I ask is give me a thumb up and hit the subscription button and turn on the post notification so that you do not miss out on any of my future uploads. At Mama Nigel Kitchen, there is always an amazing adventure going on, never a dull moment. Oh no, I promise you that. Never a dull moment, guys. Never a dull moment. So yeah, you can see. So if you compare this to what it was before, okay, so look at the ones that I have not done. So those are what I'm going to be working on next. Do the comparison. Glammed up in the middle compared to non-touched, the virgin ones. Okay. If you go to the store, which one will you like? I like. I'm sure you are wondering, how did she get it done? So I'm gonna show you the tricks. I will not leave anyone hanging. So I'm gonna give you the full dose as much as I can. All right, guys, here are the tools that you will need. Okay, I have adhesive wraps. Adhesive Diamond Wrap. This is in silver. This is also Adhesive Diamond Wrap, same size, and this is in gold. I purchased two of each, 2 of the silver and 2 of the gold. Purchased from the Dollar Tree. So this I picked up. This is 1 inch by 6 feet. I use this for the top rim. Okay. So if you don't have this, you can also cut this to the size. I actually had to trim it to use for the cover of the jar. So you can trim this one as well, but this is non-adhesive. So you have to use an adhesive glue with it. Hence, I have this E6000 glass drawer knobs, and this, I love this. This is diamond, guys. It can blind you. Just look at that. And guess what? It is only $9.99. Pick this up at Home Good or so. First of all, you want to count how many rolls you have longitudinally, because you're going to be applying this lengthwise. So here I have 31 rolls. Okay, so but I want to cut it into 2 equal parts, because as you can see, 1 sheet is not enough to cover the circumference of this bottle or of the container. So I definitely need another piece here. So to achieve that, I have folded this into midpoint, which will be 15 and 16, and then I will be removing the extra 1 roll from this end, and then just easily and slowly cut through that midline section. Okay, so that is our cut. We have 2 equal sides. Careful when removing the back end so that the glue or the adhesive is not coming off. It's pretty sticky. So you want to, if you want to do measurements, by all means go ahead. I don't do measurements, not when it is not absolutely needed. So I'm just gonna eyeball it and put that for now. Okay, just follow. So I'm not smoothing it down yet. So align it so closely that it is hard to even detect where you join your pieces. Okay, trim that off again very closely. Align it from the top. Take your time with it. Okay, and then I want to also ensure it is aligning on this end before I press it down. Okay, all right. So now that we have it all aligned, so I'm just gonna go back and press everything down, focusing on each of the ridges, the raised area, so that everything is secured in place. Okay, to do the skirts, locate the joining point and start creating your skirt walking to the right. Depending on the circumference size of your canister, use your first skirt measurement to cut off as many as you would need. Align the skirt strip closely to the edge of your mid border so that there is no possible detection from the starting point. It should appear as if everything is working its way down from the top border all the way down to the bottom. So whatever container you have, if you have a container with ridges like this, easier to work with because your markings are pretty much done for you. 1, 2, 3, and oops, 1, 2, 3, and 4. So at that ridge, you want to make sure you align it with the descending diamond and keep it straight. It appears as if naturally was meant to be so. Okay, like so. All right, guys. So here is our skirt. So we went around and finished that draping of the skirts, of the sequence skirt downwards, and that really looks good. For the gold ensemble, I have used this Rust-Oleum metallic spray in gold color to spray the caps. So allow it to dry for at least 30 minutes. Then we are going to start working on it to finish this assemble. The cap is all dried now in gold color, but I'm not fully pleased with it because as you can see some dented areas that was caused by the wind blowing out there, and it's a long story, but however I'm not worried because that will be covered with the sequin borders. Measure your sequin border to identify the number of rows you need to exactly cover the rim of that cap and trim to size. Remove the backing and apply securely in place. Trim off additional pieces as needed until the entire rim is fully covered. The rim is all glammed up. The last step of this project, guys, you can see how easy it is. Okay, it requires a little bit of calculation, but it is easy and you can do it. So the last step is to finish this baby up with that crystal knob to glam it to the extreme. All right, so yeah. Yes, identify the midpoint, and we are going to be using the hot glue that is to give it an instant adhesion, and we will also use the E6000 for durability. Hold in place for at least 5 to 10 seconds to allow the hot glue to dry it in place. Yes, guys, I have to give it some extra. This extra is to create a skirt, a crown onto the knob. So I have this small little beads on the bottom circumference of the knob to create this crown. This I purchased from At Home Store. They're very cheap. I think it was $3 per pack of maybe 50. So yeah, using the E6000 that will create a very strong adhesion so that nothing falls off. Wow, wow, guys, the difference is clear. Should I even say anything? OMG. What a transformation, guys. What a transformation. Oh, man. I love it. Love it. It's the real deal. Oh, yeah. So, guys, you want to let this sit overnight so it can fully dry in place. And the next day, here you have it. The next day, guys. Spectacular. Spectacular pieces. Oh my word. Yes, total game changer, guys, on how you should use your canisters. Glam them up. Spend a little bit of time and walk in that magic. Glam it up. Glam it up. It will be so worth it. So worth it. Oh, wow. If you love what you see and would like to recreate this, tools will be listed in the description box. Oh man, if you love what you see and you have not given it a thumbs up yet, you have no reason. What are you waiting for? Come on, friend. Hit that thumbs up. Hit it. Smash it, as a matter of fact. Just smash it and roll with this beauty, with this pure elegance. The benefits, guys, are numerous. In addition to the beauty, the glam, the statement, the usage versatility is phenomenally great. Just use your imagination. Friends, family, guests, my subscribers, my new subscribers, and my returning subscribers, much love, 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 love. I really enjoyed having this project done with you. Spruce around the house for some more glorious content for your enjoyment. Thank you for being part of this family, loving, supporting, and sharing. Until our next upload. Thank you. Obulu. Kimbafo. Bye bye.